Hey guys, and welcome back to Bobby's World. Today I'll show you a daily meal plan for a high protein vegan diet. I'll show you an example of what I eat in one day to get enough protein to build muscle. So I weigh about 150 pounds, which means I'm gonna try to get about 150 grams of protein per day. So what I hear from people all the time about shifting to a more plant-based diet is concerns about how will they get enough protein. What I'll show you in this video is some tricks and tips to up your protein count and some delicious recipes that are protein filled and vegan. I'll show you a balanced way to get different types of vegan proteins in meals and snacks throughout the day to achieve your protein goal. So let's get to our day of high protein vegan eating. So for breakfast, we're gonna make tempeh bacon and avocado toast. Tempeh is a great vegan protein source. It's fermented soybeans, and it's a little bit more protein packed than tofu. So right now I'm frying up the tempeh for the tempeh bacon. I'll include a link to the recipe in the notes, and then I'll include the links to all recipes in the notes as well. So here's our breakfast. Avocado has a good amount of protein for vegetable. The toast is sourdough toast, and it has a lot of wheat protein. And in total, we got about 28 grams of protein and 500 calories or so.
Let's try this tempeh bacon.
Yummy!
Yummy!
So now it's time for the morning snack. I'm having cereal and soy milk. The cereal is a high protein cereal. It has soy and bran. And in total with the soy milk, we have 22 grams of protein for this snack and about 300 calories. So now it's lunchtime and I'm making a Southwest salad with tons of high protein vegan ingredients. I'm putting in seitan strips. Seitan is derived from wheat protein and it has a lot of protein per serving for a vegan protein. So for lunch, we've got a Southwest salad. It's got a lot of goodies in there. We got spinach, sunflower seeds, quinoa, seitan, which has a lot of protein. Quinoa has a lot of protein too for a grain. We have avocado dressing, almond cheese on top, a little bit of corn. And then it's got beans, you can see there underneath. Yeah, some beans. Beans have a good amount of protein. And I think that's everything. Let's see how it tastes.
Dressing has really good flavor and tastes really healthy. I'm using a avocado lime dressing. I'll link the recipe.
So this is a vegan protein bar we made. And this will be another snacky snack. So we're eating some tofu with brown rice and broccoli. I made tofu, honey orange tofu in the air fryer. And then the broccoli has some sesame flavor and then brown rice in the Instant Pot. Looks pretty yummy.
Let's try it. Delicious. Tastes like Panda Express, except better.
So this is the brand of vegan protein powder I use. I got it on Amazon. It has 21 grams of protein. It's made of 160 calories. It has a bunch of ingredients. The main one is, I think, pea protein. And then all kinds of different vegan proteins. And then also has superfoods in it, which I
I guess, are good for you. And it's vanilla flavor. That's pretty good.
Drinking the protein, it's good and creamy and yummy.
So there you have it. That's my day of vegan meals that are high protein. I hope you guys got some good ideas for meals and snacks. And if you have any other good ideas for high protein vegan meals, throw them in the comments. Please like and subscribe if you want more vegan tips, tricks, and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and go eat some vegan food.